Okay, this is the new Cowboy Latch that me and Jake designed. And how it works is this is the part that mounts to the fence, and it mounts to the top rail and the first rail down. And then you slide it up and twist it like this. So to actually operate it, in the lock position it looks like this. This piece is mounted to the post, and this piece is mounted to the gate. First rail, or that outside rail, and this is mounted to the top rail. And so to open it, you twist this and pull up, and then the gate swings open. And then you push down and twist it back. So hopefully that will keep the horses from pulling this straight up. It will actually catch on this piece of rebar that's mounted to the post. So I guess what I need to know is how far the distance is from the center of your post to this rail on the side, and how far the distance, how long you want this pipe to be. If you want it to be from this outside rail to the top rail of 45 degrees, I don't know if that's 16 inches or 20 inches or 24 inches. Hey Jake, come here. Gonna help me show Papa this. So what we need to know is how long to make this whole piece right here. Right now the tube is 16 inches, but I think it needs to be 24. I'm not sure. And this part from here to here may need to be longer, because I don't know how far the gap is between your gate and your post. And we can also turn this handle down, so the handle is down and the latch is down, and you flip it to pull it that way. So whichever one you do. So now let's pop this off, Jake, okay?
Can we stop it?
This is the, no, just leave it here. This is the piece that goes on the post. And this right now is 12 inches, which should be fine. And then this will just have, we'll drill holes in the top of this so we can put 5/8 bolts clear through your post. And I also need to know the thickness of your post so I know what size bolts to bring. So that should be all of it. If you want me to change something, just let me know. You want to hold this to show Papa? Show Daddy's good weld? You show it to Papa? Is he in the camera?
He's like, where's Papa?
Say hi to Mom.
Hi.
There you go. Okay. I'll email it to him. Okay, one thing I wanted to show you about this, the end of this thing, is the reason I made it rounded here is so that there wouldn't just be a sharp end like that could cut into the side of the horse or cow when it walks through the gate. So when it's latched, it'll kind of look like this, and there'll be some play up and down, so in case your gate sags, we can move it. But just as long as it's not up too high to where this won't catch on the latch. So anyways, that's the reason for this being curved. And I can make this curve smaller, it doesn't have to be that big, which probably would mean that this part didn't have to be as long either. So anyways, that's what it looks like. And I'm just mainly wanting to try to figure out how long it needs to be from the top handle down to here, so that we don't have to raise it up too high on the gate, although we might have to if we use this one. Another thing I need to know is how big are the tubes, the tube steel on your gate. I imagine it's 2-inch, but I'm not sure. I think you said you got it at Tractor Supply and most of their gates are 2-inch, but anyways, that's all.